would be a shitty YouTuber if I went to Bali and didn't make a single video about waterfalls. And if I'm going to visit waterfalls, then I'm going to the biggest and best twin waterfall in Bali. According to internet, it's Sekumpul Waterfall. Okay, let's go! We took our bike and went onto a road trip. Wind is blowing in your face while driving on curvy roads is giving you a feeling of freedom. But be cautious and always wear a helmet.
While I look down from my tall window down to the busy street of mine, I couldn't hear a sound that was louder than the one inside my mind. Instead of trees, the kids were climbing up telephone antenna poles. Their mothers sat on brown park benches and were waiting to get old.
Yo! This used to be my wife's favorite waterfall, but it all changed last year. Me and my wife have been here last year and it was beautiful, but there was a lot of scammers. The first scammer we noticed was 2 kilometers away from the waterfall. They demanded that we register and pay fake environmental fee. It would have been nice if the money really went to protect environment, and I would probably donate unless somebody showed me that it was a scam. There were also people trying to lure into the parking lot. They even had signs telling you it's parking for Sekumpul Waterfall, but you have to drive past them because they cost 10 times more, and the parking is far away from the actual waterfall. You have to park at the entrance of the waterfall. The parking is costing you 2000 rupiah and is the closest parking. Then you have to walk for a couple of minutes. This year, I want to visit the waterfall to make a video for YouTube. It would be interesting to see if they got rid of the scammers.
But when I hold her hand, I understand that she's worth a whole lot more. Yes, when I hold her hand, I understand that she's worth a whole lot more than I could ever afford.
Okay, we finally arrived. We're at Sekumpul Waterfalls. This is supposed to be one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Bali. So yeah, that's why we're here. We're gonna check it out. Last year, there were scammers on the road to the waterfall who wanted entrance fee, like 2 kilometers away from the waterfall. Today, we saw four of those scammers on the way here.
4 stop points.
Yeah.
Like they say it's a registration point.
Yeah, but if it's a registration point, why would you register yourself four times? Yeah, we were lucky because we were early, so we didn't meet anybody. There was nobody there. We didn't meet anybody from the parking area because last year there's like 5 parking areas far away from the waterfall, and everybody wanted to have money for the parking. And last year it was costing 100,000 for the parking. Yeah, and don't park far away from waterfall. Just go straight to the waterfall. There is parking there and you pay like 10,000. And they changed one more thing this year. They tried to scam you at the entrance, the fake entrance. They wanted you to pay like 100,000, 200,000, and then when you come to the actual waterfall, the entrance costs 20,000. And this year, you can pay 20,000, but you're not allowed to go to the waterfall. But yeah, we're still gonna check it out and see. This year, they changed the entrance to the waterfall. You have to pay the entrance at the parking lot and it costs you 20,000 to look at the waterfall and take pictures. This year, they have built gates to prevent you from entering further. You have to pay 120,000 to be able to swim in the waterfall or 250,000 if you want to trek further with a guide. When talking to workers at the gate, they told us that the money goes back to support local community and to make it safe for tourists to visit the waterfall. But who actually owns the waterfall? Each village in Bali have banjars. Banjar is a form of local government and they decided that they will block the path to the waterfall and collect entrance fee. The area of the waterfall is divided between two villages and there were several disputes about who gets the revenue. This is one of the reasons the ticket is 5 times more expensive this year. 120 rupiah is about $9 or 7.5 euro. This is not a lot of money for tourists who came here from all across the world, but locals will have to find other activities. There are many beautiful waterfalls in Bali. This is just the biggest and most famous one. While traveling further, we stopped at a local store to wait out the rain. It was in the same village as the waterfall. We asked the owner if she has been to the waterfall, expecting her to say yes. But shockingly, she said no. She has not been there. And when she heard that the entrance was 120,000, she was surprised and said it was too much. It's too expensive and there are many other waterfalls. But if you're a tourist, then this is definitely a place you have to see. But now you know that there is entrance fee and how to avoid scammers. And then we decided to go to north of Bali because Singaraja is actually really close to the waterfalls. And that way we can swim in the ocean. The rain stopped and we get to swim in the ocean. It's really nice here. The beach is really long and cool, but it's a lot of trash here because they haven't cleaned it up yet. And we got to meet her family.
Yay! This beach is for the funeral to wash out the ash from the dead bodies, yeah, after they are burned. So my family is coming here for the funeral ceremony.
So yeah, now we're gonna swim, and the water is so good. Yeah, the water was so amazing. When you dive, it's crystal clear and there's no waves. And yeah, it's so good. And it's really hot. And
No, it's cold. For me, it's still cold.
eh?
Going out from the water is still cold for me.
No, it's really hot. Inside the water, it's like hot, and then when you go out, it's fine. It's really good. So hot and nice. This is Penerokan Beach. This is really nice beach. It's underrated beach. It's in Singaraja. There's a lot of trash right now, but other than that, it's perfect beach.